What is the IKEA effect? The IKEA effect is when you like something more because you built it yourself. This comes from the Swedish furniture retailer IKEA, whose products force the consumer to assemble everything on their own. When you spend time following the instructions, screwing in the bolts, and finally see your new chair or desk all finished, you feel really proud of it. Even if it was tricky to make or isn't perfect, you think it's great because you made it with your own hands. Let's say you get a new bookshelf from IKEA. You open the box, lay out all the pieces, and spend the afternoon putting it together. It takes longer than you thought, and maybe you even put a piece on backward at first. But when you're done, you look at that bookshelf and feel super happy and proud. You might even like it more than a bookshelf that was already pre-assembled, just because you built this one yourself. 3 main takeaways. 1. Making something yourself can make you like it more even if it was hard to do. 2. The effort you put into creating something gives it special value to you. 3. This effect shows how putting in our own personal effort can make us feel proud and connected to what we've made.
Subscribe, like, and hit the notification button for more videos on how to stop your brain from making bad decisions.